Our aerial journey of luxury takes us next to the Boeing Business Jet 2, a majestic manifestation of what happens when commercial aviation is refined for private luxury. The BBJ-2 is where spaciousness meets elegance, offering a capacious cabin ready to accommodate up to 19 passengers. The advanced entertainment systems and high-speed internet connectivity transform this jet into a haven of luxury and productivity. The well-equipped galley stands ready to cater to your culinary desires, ensuring that every journey is as pleasing to the palate as it is to the soul.